Workflow rules enables you to isolate and more tightly control parts of your transcription production process where you may be experiencing lower profitability and productivity. It's a powerful tool when used in conjunction with a report builder, where report builder is used to identify problem areas in the production process and workflow rules is used to correct the problems. Let's look on screen to see how it works. Now, for the sake of illustration, let's say one of my transcriptionists, Barbara Johnston, does a great job when typing op reports for other surgeons, but she frequently has problems with keeping that same level of quality when she types Dr. Miller's op reports. So I used Report Builder to isolate and identify that problem, and now I'll take some corrective steps. I want to create a workflow where all of Barbara's other work for other surgeons goes through a normal workflow. But when she types op reports for Dr. Miller, I want those notes to route automatically to a QA pool that I set up to monitor those files. So I'm going to come into my Pools area and create a new pool, B. Johnson op reports for Miller, and I'll save that. It joins my list of pools. I'll now come into my Associate Transcriber list, and here's that new pool I've created. And I assign those editors that I want to belong to that pool, and I'll create Save Associations. And then I lastly come into my workflow rules where I can now create this workflow rule. So I'll add the name to the rule, and now let's just define it. And I'm going to say whenever a report for Dr. Miller comes through that's an op report that's typed by Barbara Johnston, I want those notes to go into my newly created B. Johnston op reports Miller pool, and I'll hit my Save button, so that those files can be reviewed and monitored by the QA editors that I've assigned into that pool.